Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get AutoV2 using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win an iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First open your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you can see the buy and receive icons. Now you can either buy or receive AutoV2 tokens. And tap on the one that you're interested in, go to the search bar, start typing in auto, and it's going to pop up immediately. And when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own QR code and your own address. And with this QR code and address, you can receive AutoV2 coins in your Trust Wallet immediately. Or you just tap on the copy and it's going to copy your address and you can receive coins this way. The second button, the set amount button, is a very cool feature. Here you can type in a set amount of coins and it's going to generate a new QR code and a new address. And with this new QR code and address, you can receive this exact amount of coins, 457 in my case. And yeah, I think this is a very good feature for payments or transactions where you need to receive an exact amount. And obviously, with the share icon, you can share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.